And I was thinking we could get out an instrument or two. Yeah. That might be kind of fun. I might need a helper or two. How about, let's see, I think we've got enough. I'm looking for a corner if you would like. How about Sean? Can you come get 2 egg shakers for your mommy and 2 egg shakers for you? That's a lot of egg shakers. Can you do it? You can do it. Oh, look at you. So cute. And if Connor wants to have a little rattle. Alexis, can you get 2 egg shakers? One for your set for your mommy and 1 set for you. Yay, good helping. Isaac, oh, we got some. Let's see here. I think we can do it. Can you be a big brother? Yeah. All right. I have 2 for mommy.
Thank you.
2 for a sister. Oh. And 2 for you. Good job. I think I'll probably play my shaker. It's a little bit silly. Does the trick though. So why don't we just kind of explore? All right. So we can shake them up high. Oh, good thinking. We can shake them down low. We can shake them slow. We can shake them really, really fast. All right. Go ahead. Oh, we can clap them. I like that. That makes a good sound. And Mom, there's this idea that kinder music really builds on called scaffolding. When you're playing and exploring with your child or children, where it's really a child-led concept. You know, they try something and then you kind of you follow their lead and say, oh, I see that you're seeing if I can roll. And it just really builds engagement. It builds their creativity and self-esteem and just that bonding thing when you're really celebrating their own ideas. And then if they ever get stuck, then, you know, parents can jump in and say, oh, let's try this. What happens if we tap our foot? And then they'll try it and see how it goes. Good. So while we're exploring, I'm just gonna put on some music to play along to, and we'll just sort of practice that scaffolding idea, okay? Let's see.
Ride along with me to your favorite park. Click your seatbelt into place before we start the car. Such an easy thing to do when you ride away. Just click your seatbelt every time, and you'll be safe all day.
birds know it.
I like to